Hello everybody, this is Tabish and the topic for today's presentation is active and passive sentences. Active and passive sentences are two different ways of expressing the same information in a sentence. In an active sentence, the subject of the sentence performs the action, while in a passive sentence, the subject is acted upon. फ़ाल और गैर फ़ाल जुमले मालूमात का इज़हार करने के दो तरीके हैं। एक फ़ाल जुमले में जुमले का मज़मून अमल अंजाम देता है, जबकि गैर फ़ाल जुमले में मज़मून पर अमल किया जाता है। Active sentence example. John ate the apple. Subject John. Verb ate. Object the apple. In this sentence, John is the doer or performer of the action, which is eating the apple. The subject is placed before the verb. Passive sentence example. The apple was eaten by John. Subject is the apple. Verb was eaten. Agent by John. In this sentence, the subject of the sentence is the apple, which is being acted upon. The agent John is being introduced by the preposition by. The focus is on the object of the action rather than the doer. Additional example of active and passive sentences. Active sentences. Maria wrote the book. The teacher graded the test. The cat chased the mouse. Passive examples. The book was written by Maria. The tests were graded by the teacher. The mouse was chased by the cat. Thank you for watching the video. If you learned something, please like and subscribe the channel.